guys just saw, I usually don't wash the car before I bring it in to work on it, but this one I really kind of wanted to see what the paint was going to be doing and what it was hiding underneath. So I gave it a quick wash. You want to go inside? So I gave it a quick wash to determine, you know, kind of what I want to do with it. And being non-sunroof, it's a little different. Like with mine, you know, they're always scared of it leaking and everything. Dude, this thing has been sitting outside, I don't know, for a good, month now, and it has got no water inside. Well, now there's water because I sprayed it off. I sprayed a whole bunch of water got through the seals and stuff and down like through this seal and stuff. But dude, I picked it up. I mean, when I moved it, there was no water in it. It's been out there for like a month and it's been raining hard. So I brought it in here just so I could check it over. I'm gonna let it dry out a little bit more. Think about it for a couple days, like just waiting for parts on the Mark 1, waiting for parts on for my 24 valve too. So brought in here so I can look at it. If I want to start on it, rip the motor out, you know, start digging deep into it, I might start doing that. I mean, these things are just getting harder and harder to find. Fast forward a couple days and I'll show a picture of where I'm at with the Mark II. Taking out the engine. I still don't know really what I'm going to do with it, but something popped up and I had to go get it. So we're up north about 2 hours away and I picked up a Corrado. I just was checking on the straps really fast, making sure it was all good to go before I got on the freeway. Here comes the E30. Hell yeah. So yeah, the new toy, not sure what I'm gonna do with it, but I've always wanted a Corrado. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, and it's black. So yeah, I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with the white Mark II, and then, you know, this is gonna be mine because I don't have a Corrado. So this is gonna be mine, so I'm gonna kind of put it in the back and try to decide what engine I wanna put in it. But this one's kind of good to go. I mean, I gotta tear out all the interior, it's like soaking wet and everything, but I really need to figure out what I'm gonna do with that Mark II, the white one, if I'm going to, you know, invest my time in it and probably sell that one if I put an engine in it. So I don't know, got like a 2 hour drive home, think about it, and then okay, next day, and got home late, so tired. So today, gonna get the Corrado off. Now that it's like actually sunny, you can take a better look at it. But looks pretty clean. There are some small dents I can see there, but that's nothing. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. Yeah, so gonna get this off, get it pushed in the back, and then I wanna keep on going on that Mark II to get the engine out. That was the goal for tonight, to get this piece of crap out. And yeah, I don't know what the hell happened. Focus. Come on. Don't know what happened to my hand. Bloodied. God, I hate that engine. So much crap on it. I mean, not as much as the older ones, but still, it's just like with the, I hate this frame. Like, if you're new, I've said it before, I hate everything about the Mark II except for the shell. That's why I swap in the Mark III frame, Mark IV engines. Everything's so much simpler, runs so much better. You can actually daily drive it if you want. You don't have to deal with all this nonsense. Man, and digging into this car, finding so many things wrong with it, because I was actually almost thinking about keeping this engine in there, keeping it original and trying to get it back on the road and stuff. And there were just so many wrong bolts, just wrong things that were sketchy on it. I'm glad I just ripped that thing out. And yeah, there's a few dents in it. I'm gonna bring those out. Non-sunroof, paint actually looks pretty good, except for this small little dent. So I'm gonna find everything, it's gonna look great. glad I got this out of there. So tomorrow I'll get the axles off and then start getting the crappy engine wiring off. I'm gonna make this bay look, you know, pretty much brand new. Get it all nice and clean. The white paint's gonna be looking great. Get this subframe off there after I get done cleaning it. Yeah, stoked. 1.8T is probably going in here since I had so much fun with it on the last build. And then, yeah, we'll see where we go from there.